Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today, we'll learn how to hide custom or manual payment methods at Shopify checkout using KlinKode PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Since we're dealing with a custom payment method, you might not find it listed in the Select Payment Methods field. No worries. Instead, use the Additional Payment Methods field. Just enter the name of your custom payment method. If you have multiple, separate them with commas. Let's take an example where we want to hide the invoice payment method for orders from specific zip codes. We'll start by checking the checkout page. Currently, invoice appears as an option at checkout. Now let's change the zip code to one specified in our rule. As expected after updating the zip code, the invoice option no longer appears on the checkout page. That's it. Simple way to manage custom payment methods with KlinKode PayRules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.